Most love a pool on a hot day. Pool ownership is a popular dream, but pool owners are often surprised by the amount of work it takes to maintain them. Fortunately, you can keep your pool sparkling clean all summer long with minimal toil by using a top-notch pool vacuum. The best pool vacuums can clean up leaves, twigs, grass, and other debris, and the most convenient models do it automatically. They come in a few varieties, including robotic, suction side, and pressure side, so no matter what kind of pool you have, you can find a vacuum that will work for you. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide presents Top 5 Best Pool Vacuum. Let's get started.
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 5. Vivahome Automatic Pool Sweeper Vacuum. This Vivahome pool suction cleaner is designed to devour all kinds of debris, bugs and algae quickly and quietly, let you swim in cleaner water, enjoy a healthier and happier swimming time. Powerful clean function without loud noise. Adapted to 0.8-3 m deep swimming pool. Remove all kinds of debris and dirt on the floor, wall, steps of your entire swimming pool. Adapt to multiple surfaces, including tile, concrete, vinyl, and fiberglass. Number 4. Paxess HJ1103 Robotic Pool Cleaner. Cordless automatic pool cleaner is the most innovative pool robot cleaner for Max 100 in-ground pools/above ground pools. Robotic pool cleaner pre-installed the intelligent navigation system, delivers highly optimized scanning and coverage for a new level of clean. The rechargeable automatic pool cleaner is powered by a 5000 mAh large-capacity lithium-ion battery that enables the cleaner to deliver constant performance up to 60 to 90 minutes cordless use to clean your pool. Number 3. Zodiac G3 Pool Cleaner Vacuum. The Zodiac G3 in-ground suction pool cleaner is a quiet and powerful suction cleaner that works with low-speed pumps to clean with maximum efficiency. The G3 will devour small and medium-sized debris without trouble to ensure the floor, walls, and steps of your entire pool receive a thorough cleaning. Quiet, powerful suction cleaner works with low-speed pumps for maximum efficiency. Devours small and medium-sized debris and cleans floor, walls, and steps of your entire pool. Number 2. Polaris P825 Sport Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Polaris P825 robotic cleaner deftly navigates all pool surfaces, climbs walls, and scrubs to the tile line for thorough cleaning. Compatible with in-ground swimming pools up to 40 feet, comes equipped with a 50-foot cable and a 4L debris canister and a premium caddy for transport and storage. Enjoy cleaning features like our patented cyclonic vacuum technology, a dual cleaning cycle for one-touch, on-demand cleaning cycles, and a durable caddy for easy transport. Number 1. Pool Blaster Catfish Ultra Pool Vacuum. Catfish Ultra features higher debris capacity than the standard Pool Blaster Catfish to capture more leaves, dirt, sand, and debris. Ideal for regular cleaning and vacuuming spots unreachable for automatic cleaners. Self-contained Catfish Ultra eliminates cumbersome cords and hoses. Powered by a lithium-ion battery with a 45-minute runtime. Higher debris capacity to capture more dirt compared with standard cleaners. High-performance WaterTech P20 motor for deep cleaning.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.